Hello, guys. As I said, there's a good movie that me and my sister watch. You call it The Bride on YouTube. That this man really fall in love to his wife, and the wife died and want to bring her back to life. So what she done is she get a body. It's a like 18th century movie that happened till it goes to a modern time that is being tradition to have a body that she can possess and to live in. So it just need to be a virgin young woman that will work. So if not a virgin, I think she's not able to possess the body and will not work. So watch it from YouTube. The title, The Bride.